warmly welcome our chief guest, His Excellency Dr. K. Rosaiah, Governor of Tamil Nadu, and request him to light the lamp assisted by the members of the management. As we remain standing, the choir will render Tamil Thai Valthu. Audience, please be seated. Our director, Engineer M.C. Abhilash, will now welcome this guest gathering.
On behalf of the management and Sri Arindamira Group of Education Institutions, under the banner of Guruji Education Trust, I take immense pride and pleasure to welcome each and every one who has honored our invitation to grace this Sam Utsav 2014 celebration this morning. At the outset, I very heartily welcome Dr. K. Rosaiah, His Excellency, Governor of Tamil Nadu, who has very graciously consented to be in our midst on this occasion, which will be a source of strength and inspiration. Sir, we are indeed very fortunate to have you, a personality of such great stature, to adorn the stage, sir. Your presence is a big boon to a growing group of education institutions like Sri Aurobindo Mira. We thank you immensely and profusely for your expression of such fine gesture. Our Sri Aurobindo Mira College of Education is just 7 years old, but it has made an amazing achievement within a short span of time. Today, SAMC is of high repute for it has placed itself first in Madurai district and 7th rank in Tamil Nadu Teacher Education University 2012-13. It was Dr. K. Rosaiah, His Excellency, Governor of Tamil Nadu, who presented the student with a merit certificate at the ceremonial convocation at Chennai. It was this achievement of SAMC that has made our efforts possible to get His Excellency as a chief guest for this occasion. I am deeply indebted to the august gathering of the eminent government officials like Madurai District Collector, Thiru Subramani Sir, the high professionals from the Department of Police, prominent officers from various government organizations who chose to be with us for this mega event. I welcome each and every one of you. My welcome note goes to the friends from the press and media. You have always taken our message outside the portals of SAM and made known to those who missed the occasion. I very sincerely welcome all our dear parents, visitors, and well-wishers for honoring our invitation. Parents, you have always stood by us and supported us with great appreciation. Your presence will be valued most by your dear children just as much we do. I welcome the event managers of the day and those who have toiled behind scenes to make this program a grand success. Finally, I extend my very warm welcome for which I am deeply indebted. The members of Sri Arundamira Group of Education Institutions, the teachers and the students put together, but for whose tireless efforts a day like this can never be made, nor an event like this. Before I conclude, I wish to bring to your kind knowledge the essence of today's event. This year, the theme is on nurture, birds and nature. With regard to this, there is a lot to learn from, know about, understand, conserve and care for. It is going to be a very memorable day spent well within the portals of SAM. Besides basking in the colorful and enriching entertainment, you will surely take home with you a lovely message to ponder and cherish. I welcome one and all and wish you all a very fruitful day. Thank you.
Our chairman, Dr. C. Chandran, will now honor His Excellency Dr. K. Rosaiah, Governor of Tamil Nadu. I now call upon our chairman, Dr. C. Chandran, to deliver the presidential address.
At the outset, I register my very sincere and heartfelt gratitude and greetings to our honorable chief guest, His Excellency Dr. K. Rosaiah, Governor of Tamil Nadu, who is highly accomplished and affiliated in the field of politics. He is lauded for his humility. It was the fine gesture expressed by Sir to accept our invitation and be present in our midst. Sir, I am proud to say as you, I hail from a farmer's family background, but grew up with a great passion for education. I strongly believe that I must do something for my society. Being an educationist myself, I had the conviction that only through education we can make tremendous contribution to the society. This drives in me made me start a school to provide best education to the needy society at a very affordable cost. Under the banner of Guruji Educational Trust, we started our venture. Sri Aurobindo Mira Matriculation School was started in the year 1996 in a rented building with a meager number of 100 students with a few classrooms. Today, by the grace of God Almighty, we have strength of over 2,500 students. This is made possible, parents, because of your cooperation and the trust you have in us. As of now, world-class education is provided with a very good infrastructure. I also wanted to generate the teachers with a passion for education. That propelled me to start Sri Aurobindo Mira College of Education in the year 2007. This College of Preceptors educates 100 student teachers who get absorbed in the leading school on their own merits. This institution has made its mark by securing the first position in the district and the 7th position in the state of Tamil Nadu with a short span of 7 years. I also dedicated to cater to the elite affordable society in Madurai. This resulted in establishment of Queen Mira International School affiliated to CBSE board, which is centrally air-conditioned with a state-of-art structure. It was started in the year 2010. We were working our way to establish a deemed university with the technical institutions and a fully residential school affiliated to ISC board together with IG, CSE and IB. My sole aim is to make resources available in Madurai for those highly aspirants who could not make to distant lands. Trust and hope that by God's grace and the untiring efforts of my two dynamic and selfless sons, Engineer Abhilash and Engineer Abhinath, I believe my dream will come true. Now let me move on to introduce our honorable chief guest for the occasion, who is a very accomplished person, His Excellency Dr. K. Rosaiah, the Governor of Tamil Nadu. His very presence on this dais bears testimony to his respect and regard for the cause of education, that has dedications and commitment. This truly towering personality has to his credit many accomplishments in the field of politics. He showed his prominence even while he was doing his BCom degree he took in the college. Every step he took in the political career was a very commendable one. He was elected member of Andhra Pradesh Legislative Council. As a cabinet minister in the Andhra Pradesh Legislative Council, he held many portfolios as a minister in various capacities, and sometimes he was chief ministers. Cabinet such as the time from Chennareddy to Dr. Y.S. Rajashekharan Reddy, Dr. K. Rosaiah holds a record for presenting the state budget for more than 16 times, and in that 7 times continuously. In the year 1998, he was elected to the Lok Sabha from the Narasarao Bed constituency and served in various parliamentary committees. After the death of Dr. Y.S. Rajashekharan Reddy, Dr. K. Rosaiah became the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. The Andhra University conferred upon him the honorary doctorate for his sincerity, humility, straightforwardness, and dedications. Having served the people of Andhra Pradesh for over 5 decades in various capacities as Minister and Chief Minister, he retired from active politics. On 31st of August 2011, he became the 23rd Governor of Tamil Nadu. Sir, our students will be motivated by your presence. I thank you, sir, for having with us today. Thank you very much.
We request His Excellency Dr. K. Rosaiah, Governor of Tamil Nadu, to give away the awards. Grade 12 toppers, H. Vigneshwaran. M. Archana. Grade 10 toppers, S. Vidya Shankar. P. Aishwarya. S. Santosh. Samsi Best Outgoing. Yes, Yasir Arapat. S. Sujita. Best Achiever Teacher, Mrs. C. Bhavani. Best Mother Award, instituted in the honor of our Vice Chairman, late Mrs. Jhansi Rani Chandran, goes to Mrs. U. Ranjita Malar. award to SAMC for District First Achievement. Thank you, sir. Now we request His Excellency Dr. K. Rosaiah, Governor of Tamil Nadu, to address the gathering.
Dr. C. Chandran, Chairman, Thiru M.C. Abhilash, Director, Thiru M.C. Abhinath, Joint Director, Tirumati Helen Marcus, Sri Aravindo Mira Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Sri C.V.R. Vatsala, Principal, Tirumati Sujata Guptan, Principal, Queen Mira International School, teachers, staff and students of Sri Aravindo Mira Group of Educational Institutions, distinguished invitees, friends from media, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure to participate in the SAM Utsav 2014 annual day celebrations of Sri Aravindo Mira Group of Educational Institutions, present awards to students, the parent and the teachers, and address this distinguished gathering here today. Started with a humble beginning, Sri Aravindo Mira Group of Educational Institutions' growth has been steadfast, catering to the educational needs of the students in and around Madurai and in other places. I congratulate Dr. Sri Chandran, Chairman, Board of Directors, and the management for the spirit of education. Education is a never-ending process. It's man-making and inculcating human values. It is the foundation for lifelong learning. The knowledge gained, the skills imparted will help to build the youth into responsible citizens of tomorrow. Our educational institutions should aim to grow and nurture in our students a spirit of patriotism, service before self, and respect for women. Manu says, where women are respected, there the gods delight, and where they are not respected, there all work and efforts come to naught. I appeal to the educational institutions, the teachers in particular, to build in students a flair for innovation and creativity. Sowing the seeds for research and innovation in the young minds and guiding the students in the right path is the need of the hour. It is the self-confidence instilled and the dynamism and leadership qualities that are nurtured that will help the students to face the exterior world and excel in life. I congratulate Sri Aravindo Mira Group of Educational Institutions for working with a vision to give the society the right kind of quality education, to produce responsible citizens, to fit into the unknown tomorrow. The character of a person is the sum total of the bent of his or her mind. We are what our thoughts have made us. Learning begins at home. The parents, the teachers, the brothers and sisters should set themselves as role models to the younger generation. If we have to rise to greater heights and make India a superpower, the general level of life and thought of our people should also rise. It can be achieved if each one of us develops self-discipline, self-control, and self-confidence to reach our destination. This should start from every home. Begin with the children and spread to every classrooms and flourish in the society. This is what the society and the nation needs. Make your home lively and warmth. Provide ideal environment for the child to grow and develop physically, socially, spiritually, and emotionally. It's only the home that gives a child the secured feeling. Appeal to the students to work with determination, confidence to achieve things, aspire high in life, convert your dreams into reality. You are all born to achieve. I am sure you will bring laurels to this institution, your parents, to the state and the nation. I convey my warm felicitations to Dr. C. Chandran, Chairman, Thiru Abhilash, Director, the management, the principals, teachers, staff, and students of Sri Aravindo Mehra Group of Educational Institutions. I wish Sri Aravindo Mehra Group of Educational Institutions grow from strength to strength in the years to come. I conclude with the words of Sri Aravindo. I quote, "The chief aim of education should be to help the growing soul to draw out that in itself which is best and make it perfect for a noble use." Unquote. My greetings to you all. Jai Hind.
A Joint Director, Engineer M.C. Abhinath, will now propose the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, His Excellency Dr. K. Rosaya, Honorable Governor of Tamil Nadu, Dr. C. Chandran, Chairman of Guruji Education Trust, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and friends from media. Today is indeed a memorable milestone, the journey of Guruji Educational Trust. Numerous souls have to be duly acknowledged for the success of the event. At the outset, on behalf of this elite gathering and guests, I thank our Governor, His Excellency Dr. K. Rosaya, for his presence here with us and for graciously presenting the awards. My sincere thanks to you, sir, for setting the tone of the event through your thoughtful address. We are deeply gratified for accepting our invitation and accommodating it in your occupied schedule. My sincere thanks to all the dignitaries, especially the government officials like His Worshipful Mayor Rajan Chalapa sir, our District Collector Thiru Subramaniam sir, prominent officers from the Department of Education, Police and Corporation for having given their time for this great event. We are quite fortunate to be led by our chairman, edupreneur Dr. C. Chandran, who with this professional insight, boldness, grit and selflessness facilitates our development constantly. Thank you, Chairman. We are lucky to have a dedicated, hardworking and committed staff complementing the growth of the trust. I extend my sincere gratitude to all the staff, teaching and support team of the past and present. Undoubtedly, yours is a significant part in our trust progress. I do thank the organizing team of the event for all their efforts in the smooth conduct of this event. Thank you, team. My due words of gratitude goes to our parents and students team for their continuous support on all the trust endeavors. We are grateful for the hold received over the years and look forward to greater things in the future. I thank the entire broadcasters from the press and media for all their unsparing support in the growth of the trust. To conclude, let me once again reiterate that without you all, we will never have the courage to dream and the passion to make it happen. So thank you all. Thank you everyone for your great contribution in the past, present, and into the future. You have all made this as a very wonderful and rewarding moment. My best wishes to you all. Thank you.
Let us all stand for the national anthem.
Janagan